Hi there, I'm Carl Lucas. Now let me ask you, are you a bit fed up with those overcomplicated high-risk income schemes? I thought so. That's why I want to introduce you to the TIR Plan, short for Thinking into Reality. Launched back in mid-September 2025, this isn't your typical get-rich-quick fluff. It's built on a rock-solid foundation. It's free to join. There's zero risk to your own pocket, and you don't actually need to refer anyone to start seeing a return. It's a revolutionary profit-sharing system that builds month on month as our community grows. Here's the bold truth. Even if you never pay a cent, never sell a thing, and never refer a single soul, you can still make money with TIR. Sounds a bit choice, doesn't it? Well, here's how it works. So, how is the TIR plan different from everything else out there? It uses three individual profit sharing plans: bronze, silver, and gold. Now, usually plans like this have nagging monthly fees. But here's the game changer. Your initial membership in the bronze plan automatically funds all of your ongoing future monthly fees for bronze, silver, and gold. That means you only need to be paid in once to cover all future costs across all three plans. That is absolutely unique to the TIR system. Let's look at the entry point. The bronze plan. It's $30 a month, but remember, you don't have to pay that out of pocket. As you can see here, you sign up as a free member, do your identity verification, that KYC is a must, and then a sponsor or another paid member can pay that $30 forward for you. Once you're paid in, the system goes to work. It accumulates a total of $150. It automatically holds back $30 for your next month's subscription and reserves $80 for your silver upgrade. That leaves you with $40 clear withdrawable profit. You're in the system, earning, and you haven't spent a cent. Once the system upgrades you to the silver membership, things start scaling up. The profits accumulate just like they did in bronze, but to a much higher ceiling, up to $2,650. From that, the system sets aside a bit for your future gold upgrade and a $50 promotional fund to keep the whole community growing. That leaves you with a very tidy $2,450 available to withdraw in each subscription period. Not a bad day at the office. Finally, we reach the gold membership. This is where the larger commissions come in. You're looking at a maximum withdrawal of $2,500 per period. Just like before, your next month's fees are held back automatically, happening month after month so you remain active. And don't forget, while you don't have to refer, you can earn significantly more income here through referrals and matching bonuses if you do share the word. Best part? No future fees out of your own pocket. It's all prepaid from your start in bronze. View the compensation video, which explains the extra referral and matching bonuses as they are huge. Now, I just want to go over this point again because it's important. Why would a paid member or the system pay for you to join? It's simple. It's a win-win scenario. As you can see, the sponsor will eventually earn significantly more by helping you get started. But listen up. They will not sponsor you if you haven't completed your KYC identity check at no cost. The plan needs real people, not a bunch of bots falsely registering. Right then, the ball's in your court. It's time to decide. Step 1. Sign up for free and get that KYC done. If you want the fastest route to earning, make that one-time $30 payment yourself. Click the link right down below to join our crew and make sure you watch the full compensation video to see the real potential here. Remember, this takes time to grow, but the maths behind it is solid. I'm Carl Lucas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.